get down here to Atlantic City.
Walk to McDonald's. Did you use your mobile app?
Yes.
Sure.
It's PT22.
Thank you, Nora.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold me over till we get out of this joint. So we made it up in this joint. 2-hour ride, wasn't too bad. Find somewhere to park. That's good. So we've arrived at Tropicana. Tropicana, guys.
8 minutes is free.
Nice little waterfall over there. Like, it ain't too crowded right now, but I know it's probably gonna be crazy real soon, guys. The lights on that joint, they're doing nice. Let's do this check-in process real quick, man. Oof, crazy. Crazy in 4K. We holding the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 off the balcony, man. Talking about. Off the balcony. Got a car over there, that motherfucker. Water fountain right here. Got the nightclubs up here on this level. Kiss Kiss over there. Couple spots. Alright guys, so we walk into the room now. We can get through these damn people. I might have to knock somebody out this weekend. It's two-way traffic. Oh, a little cookie shop right there. Okay. We're almost to the casino floor. Oh, it's jumping at it. Right here on the beach. Right here on the ocean. Got a little long walk. Oh, yeah. Almost there. Almost to the elevator. Got the pool over there. Standard room. King bed. Little chair here. Nightstand with a lamp.
You gonna view this time?
Got no view. TV.
Oh, well, at least the ocean right there.
Wet bar here. Regular bathroom. Stand up shower. They having a damn cheer competition.